Always on the fence. I always say this, it's like a box of do we love it or we're just like not feeling it. Hi guys, welcome back. It is me, Drew, and today's video that I have for you, it is day 5 of June 2018 box week. So really quick, if you're brand new to my YouTube channel and you're like, what's the deal, what's going on? Hi, welcome here. I'm Drew, and box week is the best week every single month. My YouTube channel is the one week every month that me and my subscribers spend 7 consecutive days together. So we have a new video every day for 7 days. You're catching us on day 5. But if you want to join the Just Like Drew crew and you're not already, click the red subscribe button down below this video. Join our forever family. We are literally the best crew around because anybody and everybody can meet our crew. And I'm really excited because this week during box week we have been filling up our stockpile giveaway, and what that is basically starting a few months ago. This is actually the 3rd one we're doing. I'm trying to get it. It's like actually really heavy. We started filling up a box of goodies, and basically what happens is as soon as the box is full, we give it away to one of my YouTube subscribers. It's really that simple, and I fill it up with items from my subscription boxes. I like to keep some things. I like to give some things away. It's a way for me to give back and share with you guys because like I seriously like love and adore the Just Like Drew crew. So that's the whole thing. So tonight we are actually going to be unboxing a box that has been, honestly, it's always on the fence. I always say this, it's like a box of do we love it or we're just like not feeling it. It's never really been like a middle of the line box for us, and I'm talking about the Allure Beauty Box. Allure Beauty is a $15 monthly subscription box that is curated by the creators of Allure magazine. This month they actually are doing a collaboration box with Kat Von D. As you can see, it is an all black box. It's easy to see on there, and it was funny because I always try to keep myself surprised about what's going to be in these boxes, but they like did so much publicity. I knew it was going to be about Kat Von D. For the most part, I don't really know what's in the box. I think I know that there's probably going to be some of her fragrance in there because obviously, like, why would she not promote her fragrance in the box that she collaborated with? But yeah, I'm kind of excited to see what's in here. Kat Von D has like just celebrated, I know, like her 10-year makeup company anniversary, as well as like she just got married, she's having a baby, so it's no surprise to me that she is right now the person they would choose to collaborate with. I know they previously have done a collaboration with Jaclyn Hill. I am ripping the seal off of this, and well, that was an awful noise, I'm sorry. And I think I mentioned this, but if I didn't, Allure is $15 a month. My memory's been like really bad the last like couple of weeks, so I'm like, I may have said it's $15, I may not have. All right, so I've got the seal off of it. All right, on the very top is a picture of the beautiful Kat Von D, or Mama to Be, and everything is covered in like kind of like a gold tissue paper right there. All right, I'm peeling it back and I'm reaching inside. I'm trying not to look down in there as I like grab things out. All right, the first item I'm pulling out here is Kat Von D Studded Kiss Cream Lipstick in the shade Double Dare. Can you see that? I don't know. It's kind of like a reddish tone. You know what? I'm gonna put this automatically into the giveaway box. I'm not gonna open the box just because I don't want to like tear it or damage it or whatever, but I'm gonna put this in there because I don't think we have any colors of lipstick like this, but this is one of the Kat Von D Studded Kiss Cream Lipsticks in the shade Double Dare. This is gonna go right into our giveaway box off the bat. All right, now on the top we have, ooh, Ole Henriksen Transforming Walnut Scrub. All right, walnut powder and ginseng extract. All right, so this is a facial scrub, an exfoliating facial scrub applied to wet skin and gently massage in upward circular motion. Full size Ole Henriksen. Oh my gosh, that is super duper awesome and amazing. So you may remember, I think it was like 2 nights ago, we put in like, it was a full size Murad face wash. So I'm gonna keep this for myself. I actually have needed a new exfoliating wash. So when I've been using a little bit too harsh, and I've told you guys the last few nights that my skin's kind of been breaking out with all the changes that it's been going through over the last few weeks. So I'm gonna keep that. All right, the next item that we have is Kat Von D Everlasting Lipliner in the shade Lolita. All right, so this is a full-size Kat Von D lip liner. Seriously, this box already, I'm sure you can guess, like the value of this is out of control. Ole Henriksen face scrub, a full-size lip liner for Kat Von D. We definitely earned over our $15. I will say recently Allure has definitely turned up the heat. Originally, they were sending out like kind of like weird little samples that didn't really make too much of sense, and recently they've been coming out swinging hard with like full-size items. I've been really impressed impressed with it as of late. This is also gonna go in the giveaway box, so somebody can have this along with the Studded Kiss lipstick right there. And all right, next we have the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner in Trooper Black. I'm actually gonna keep this because I need a new black eyeliner, y'all. I told you, like, I bathed myself in black eyeliner. Like, I cannot get enough black eyeliner, so I'm gonna be keeping this for myself because I'm already like running out and need more. All right, and it looks like there's one more item in here. Let's pull it out and see. Oh, it's a mirror. Okay, so it is a mirror with like the Kat Von D V on the back. I like would turn this around, but it's gonna look like super heinous, but it's a mirror. I'm actually gonna put this inside of the giveaway box as well. I don't think we've ever had a mirror in the giveaway box, so I'm like, that's kind of cool. All right, so that's everything in my box. All right, honestly, I thought there was gonna be a fragrance sample. Like I said, whenever like I was like scrolling on Instagram or something, I'd randomly catch corner of my eye, looks like a fragrance sample. So I don't know if either I'm missing something or if this actually does everything in the box. I'll have to look later. Oh, you know what? I can actually look at the booklet here and it will tell me if I've gotten everything. All right, so we got the black eyeliner. We're supposed to get the lip liner and the lipstick, which I want to show you. That is what those two look like, so you can kind of see the colors. Those are going into the giveaway box. The Ole Henriksen face scrub, which is valued at $28, and the Kat Von D travel mirror. Okay, so no, that's actually it. Okay, so actually I had no idea what was coming in this box. I was like, okay, I kind of know. No, I don't know. So, all right, to recap, I just showed you everything that was like in the little booklet. I got the Ole Henriksen face scrub, which I'm keeping. I'm keeping the black eyeliner because I need it, and I'm putting in the lip liner, the lipstick, and the Kat Von D mirror into our giveaway box, and that is all going right here, as you can see. Oh my gosh, things are falling out of here. I'm actually like nervous whenever I hold this box up now that stuff's gonna fall out. We will be giving this away at the end of this month. Like I've said before, I kept it last month because I felt like it wasn't full enough, and now it's gonna be like over full. Which isn't like a bad thing for whoever wins it. It's just like, I'm really nervous about like how full this box is because like, I feel like it's gonna fall out and just like explode. So, that's all I have for you guys today. But if you wanna see more photos of me, you can check me out on Instagram, Snapchat, and on Twitter at Justlikedrew, spelled the same it is down below this video. If you want to be part of the Just Like Drew crew and you're not already, click the red subscribe button down below this video and join our forever family because we are literally the best crew around because anybody and everybody can be in our crew. I love you guys so stinking much. And if you like this video and you wanna see more from me, you know what to do. Just like Drew, have an amazing day, have an amazing week, have an amazing life, and I will see you tomorrow for day 6 of box week. Oh my gosh, I can't believe we're getting so close to the end of the week already. Like, what happened? We just started this. All right, talk to you soon. Love you. Goodbye, 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 goodbye. Who are you? Thumbs down. Hard thumbs down. Ah! Where are those peanuts? I need to eat some peanuts to flush down that flavor. Oh my gosh.